take your skin to the next level. This helped my skin to look so much younger, so much fresher.
We're going to talk about oils, but we are also going to show you how to use these oils on the skin. I like to use oils on my skin, and some people sometimes are a little lost. They're not sure how to use the oils, but guess what also, guys? I'm not just going to show you how to use any oils. I am going to be showing you some oils from the Khichi Beauty collection, the Khichi Beauty oil collection. These are some amazing facial oils, and we are going to feature three oils that can help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. We have the pomegranate seed oil. We also have the papaya oil, and guess what else we have? We have our rosehip seed oil. I'm telling you guys, these are like my darling oils. These oils is amazing to mix together to create a anti-aging facial oil blend. So you can choose to buy all three of these oils and mix them together and use as your facial oils, or you can choose to buy any one, any two, or all from the Khichi Beauty collection. I'm telling you guys, let's take a look at these oil individually. Now, let's start with rosehip oil, which is really rosehip seed oil. Now, if you're new to rosehip seed oil, guys, where have you been? Because you're really missing out. Rosehip seed oil contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It is an oil that is good for your hair, your whole body, but because it is so rich in vitamin A, it makes a perfect anti-wrinkle facial oil. It's an oil that is good to prevent wrinkles, and it is also an oil that is great to get rid of wrinkles. Now look at that, guys. Our oils are all organic, and these oils are also virgin oils, guys. They are first press oil that goes smoothly on the skin. Now let me tell you a little bit about the rosehip seed oil. Now there's a lot of people that confuse rosehip seed oil with rose oil. It is not rose oil because this is not made from rose petal. It is made from rose seed or rose bud. What is that? That is in the middle of the rose petal, but it's not your regular roses that you see out there, that you buy to put in a bouquet and all of that. It's a special kind of a rose that mostly you find these like in the Amazon, South America, and all of that, and it's go very, very short, and it have a lot of picker on it. That is what the rosehip seed oil. But when it comes on to the rosehip bud, guys, it is loaded with vitamin A. Loaded with vitamin A. That is what makes this oil the perfect anti-aging oil. You can just take that oil, guys, and wash your face though. Please remember to wash your face, and you can just put it on your skin and blend it on the skin like that. Massage the skin. Not only that, you can take this rosehip seed oil and you can rub it in your hair. Not only that, you can take this rosehip seed oil, rub it on your hands, rub it on your knees, your elbow. You can take the rosehip seed oil, and guess what? You can add it to your body lotion. Lotion your entire skin. Guess what you can do with this rosehip seed oil also? Just as you're stepping out of the shower, you can take this and damp skin all over your body. Are you struggling with dry skin? Are you itchy? Like you stay too long in the shower, when you get out, your skin is itching. Now the time's so dry, you're itching. Try the rosehip seed oil. Do you have stretch marks on your stomach area, your buttocks, your, right here? This is for you. It's also going to help to fade the striation and smooth the skin, making it a perfect oil. Not only that, when you use the rosehip oil like that, you're giving your full body a treatment oil, a full body treatment oil. So that is the rosehip seed oil. And you can, as I said, mix the rosehip seed oil with other oils. A perfect oil, guys, for most skin type. Whether you have oily skin, and some of you with oily skin like, oh, can I use the rosehip seed oil? I just showed it to you. It is an oil that's just gonna sink right there in the skin, and it does not clog the pores. As a matter of fact, it's a good oil for oily skin, because look at that, guys. I'm rubbing it in my skin, and look how it's just absorbing in my skin. That means if you have oily skin is going to trick your skin to think that it already have enough oil, and your skin is going to produce less oil and making it just a perfect oil. You're in your 60s. This is a good oil for you. You're in your 50s. This is a good oil for you. You're turning 70s. This is a good oil for you because you're getting all the vital antioxidant that you need when your skin gets to that age. Now, if you're in your 20s, you're like, okay, so I don't need that. Yes, you need it because you're going to use it on your skin to prevent wrinkles and fine lines. I've been using this for years, and I've been sharing recipes, open recipes with you all using this oil. And why do we use it so much? Because of the many benefits that is in this rosehip seed oil. So do not sleep on it. Get it on our website. You can just buy it by itself, or you can buy, we have some bundles on the site that you can check out. You bundles and save, and you get these oils and you take them home and you try them. Don't sleep on them. Use them on the skin. So if you're just joining, we're sharing 3 amazing anti-aging oil that is good for not only the face, but also your body, and good for wrinkles, fine lines, good for stretch marks, good for dull skin, good for dry skin, good for sensitive, oily skin, combination skin, you name it. And these are the 3 oils. These are 3 of our top oils, guys. We have the rosehip seed oil, we have the papaya seed oil, we also have the pomegranate oil. Now, how many of you here are new to pomegranate seed oil? If you're new, where have you been? Because guess what? When it comes onto oil that is rich in vitamin C, this is it. Not only that, this also gives you that glow to the skin. Let me show you the pomegranate seed oil, guys. Rich in vitamin C and vitamin E. And did you all know that vitamin E is one of the better vitamin that they use in almost all skincare products of some form of a vitamin E, because it is the all-round vitamin, like a base for your skincare products, and you're going to find it in the pomegranate seed. Now, this is the Khichi Beauty pomegranate oil. This is the one I could swear for, okay? This is organic. This is natural. This is just a fresh oil for you to use on the skin. Now, apart from our essential oils, guys, apart from the essential oils that we have in the Khichi Beauty collection, all our other oils are edible. Oh, yes. And I normally preach to you guys that this is what I want for my skincare company. I want a fresh oil. What is good to eat is good to put on your body. We have the coconut oil, guys. We have the grapeseed oil, and very soon we're going to bring our avocado oils, guys. So the pomegranate seed oil is one of the 3 oils that we're featuring right now. And take a look at this, guys. This is an oil that is so light. Look at that. See how fast this oil is just running, because it is a light oil, making it great for most skin type. All you need is 1 to 2 drops of this pomegranate seed oil, guys. And I'm telling you, if you can get all 3, if you can get all 3, mix it together, get a little container, just like we normally do when we make our DIY. We've been mixing oils forever. On this channel page, we have a wide combination of oils that we mix. This makes a perfect anti-aging oil blend. A perfect anti-aging oil blend. Pomegranate seed oil, avocado oil, and not avocado, papaya oil, and also the rosehip seed oil. 3 amazing oil for your skin. So the pomegranate oil, just like our rosehip seed oil, you can use it in your hair, you can use it on the neck and décolleté, you can use it to massage your skin, you can use it for striation, you can use it when you step out of the shower and you have damp skin, you use it all over the body. Use it in your body lotion. If you're looking to brighten not only your face, but your entire body, this is the oil for you. This is the oil. And for those of you who pick up our dark spot corrector, you can use the pomegranate seed oil and also the papaya oil with it. Mix the 2 together. Use it all over your skin and watch your skin transform. So this is our pomegranate seed oil, guys. Now let's move on to the next oil. And the next oil is going to be the papaya oil, the papaya seed oil. And oh my, do I love this oil. Rich in beta carotene, rich in vitamin E, rich in vitamin C, which is rich in vitamin E. Another all-rounder oil that you can use on the skin. Nourish and protect the skin. And let me show you the papaya seed oil, guys. This is actually one of our fastest selling oil. All of our oil are light oil. that will not clog the pores. You only need 1 to 2 drops of this oil on the skin. You do not need to go OD. And now I'm layering my hands with 3 oils. So far, guys, I'm layering my hands with 3 oils. And guess what? You can clearly see those oil on my skin. And this is way more oil that you need on the skin. 1 to 2 drops of this oil on the skin. Now, here's another little tip about the papaya oil, guys. Now, if you find that you have thinning hair, you can also use this papaya oil. Good for your lashes. Just as though you normally use a castor oil, you can also use the papaya oil. The papaya oil also, guys, take a look at what I'm going to do. For those of you out there with cracked lips, you can use the papaya oil on the cracked lips. Look, and it just melt in the lips like that, prevent and cracked lips. You can use all 3 of these oils like that on your lips, guys. This is the oil trio for you guys. These are 3 amazing oils that you can try on the skin. The rosehip seed oil, the papaya oil, and also the pomegranate oil. I would love you all to try these oils. I would love you all to try these oils. Mix all 3 together for a facial oils. Use them separately on your skin all over. Use them in your body lotion. Use them on your hair. Use them on your eyelashes. Use them for stretch marks. Use them for dry knees and elbows. Mix some with petroleum jelly and use it on your feet if you have cracked heels. Yes, you can do that. These are a good set of oils to have. We have 10 oils in this collection. We have a group of 5 oils also on the site that is discounted. That 5 oils have all our top oils in it. And I'm going to tell you what is in those 5 oils. These are, let me see if these 3 are in that bundle. No, these 3 are not in the bundle. What is in the bundle for the 5 oils, if you want a discounted bundle, is the star anise, which is an essential oil that should be mixed with other oils. The pomegranate seed oil, which we have right here. We also have the papaya oil, which we have right here. Wait a minute. Let me see what's in. We have the pomegranate. We have the, so our 5 bundles have all 3 of these oil in it, plus 2 other oils. The 2 other oils is the apricot and the star anise. So if you want to get that bundle, you can get that bundle, and you can use the code 15 to get $15 off that bundles. So you can get all 5 oils for about $102, believe it or not. But these 3, they're not in a bundle, so you have to pick them up separately and use the code. Let me make sure they're not in a bundle. No, they're not in a bundle, so you have to pick them separately and use the code either 5 or 15, and you'll still get that extra discount. So 3 amazing oil for your skin that you can use all over, guys. The rosehips, the rosehip oil, the pomegranate seed oil, and the papaya oil. So 3 amazing anti-aging oils that you can use on your face. As a matter of fact, you can use them all over the body, and you can blend all of these 3 oils to create a perfect anti-aging oil for reducing wrinkles and fine lines, clearing hyperpigmentation, shrinking large pores, getting rid of stretch mark, getting rid of dry scalp, getting rid of cracked lips, getting rid of dark neck. Just an amazing combination, guys. What are the 3 oils? The rosehip seed oil, the pomegranate seed oil, and the papaya oil. And you can find all of these oils on our website, and depending on where you're watching from, if you look at the side of the video or underneath the videos, you will see our oils. You can click directly on the link and shop right here on YouTube. Just click on it and check out right here. Or if you want to go to our store so you can browse around in our oil collection, then just go ahead, go on the web page, go click on oils, and you're going to see all the oils that we have in the collection. So that is it, guys. 3 amazing anti-aging oil. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave your comments, and don't forget to shop ALESMAXii.com, which is right there on the screen. It's also, the link is also in the description box, and depending on where you're watching from, the link is at the side of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.